And it just keeps getting better. Woo! Yeah! Can't even step out into the rain. It is so windy and rainy. The rain's coming in sideways. Ow! It actually stings. I wonder if we should evacuate. Whoa! You know, video just doesn't do it justice. No, but we're quite safe up here on the